What's going on? It's your boy Chuck back with Security Bag Trading YouTube channel, and I want to welcome everybody back and thank you for joining me today. Like always, we about to jump on these trades and see what we got set up for next week. This video should be mad short, as last week we didn't get all the moves that we wanted, but we still made big profits. But without further ado, let's get started. All right, what we got here, we got gold up already. As I mentioned last week, we was pretty much biased on gold buying. The DXY is still continuing to drop. It's been doing some small retracements and then it would do some more drop. But as of right now, this is still my plan to see gold possibly go back up. But as of right now, I think we're going to get a retracement. So not a lot of changes here. We are still biased on gold buying overall, but I think we may get some pullbacks as the DXY has dropped and look like it's now in a possible retracement. So what I would like to see definitely still possibly is for see gold come back down to at least 1830, but as it look, we may get a little bit more of a drop if this zone breaks, possibly down to 18. All depends on how this move here. Maybe 1885 area. And then from there, I'm looking to see this go back up then. Just like this. So pretty much we have two scenarios right now. And then if this zone is broken, of course, if this zone is broken, then we will continue down. But as of right now, this is my play. You can either enter a buy stop or look to see this go buy out of this zone to wait for an entry to the upside, or you can jump in a sell with a small tight stop loss, maybe around 1866 area, and watch this continue downward. To be safe, I would take my profits at 1835. If you want to risk a little bit, make sure you got a stop loss at your entry and maybe risk down to 1800, 1805 area and look to see this buy up. That's pretty much all I got for gold. Is, like I said, not a lot of changes, but it's the play I'm looking for here. A downward move, then upward. But as you know, the DXY is still dropping. So as the market open up next week, we could definitely see gold just explode to the upside. But with everything that's going on, I just don't feel like that's just going to happen so quick, because I think everybody's looking for that to take off immediately. So I think we're going to get gold down to play a little bit, maybe a little up and down movement in this area, sideways movement, till we slowly get down here and then explode back up. So that's all I have for gold. Make sure you get a screenshot. Let's move on to Great Britain USD. All right. Great Britain USD, pretty much the same thing. Not a lot of changes. We was looking at this on a weekly, looking for that to give us a retracement up to the zone at least. As you can see, that Great Britain's already been taken off, so we can remove this play here. So now what we're looking for, if I get DXY to do a little pullback, we can expect Great Britain to definitely probably go up a little bit when the market opens, pull down, and then explode up. Just that easy. looking for that to happen just that easy. And again, if this zone is broken, of course, we're going to continue selling. But this the play I'm overall looking for. You can easily just jump in and buy, but I would definitely have a stop loss down in this area somewhere. So the best bet is just to probably go with a buy stop and late is continue to upside. But even that might not be a good idea based looking at this, because I'm looking for Great Britain. If you look at some of the history here, if we're looking at this past history here, you see what Great Britain did on this area. I'm expecting that's maybe that same setup. So the market could easily open up, give us a bullish candle, then retrace immediately. So that can definitely happen right here. Go upward and then fall down. And then if that happens, we can get Great Britain crashing for the next 2 weeks easily, and then look for that to go back up. As you can see, it came right back to the zone. Will that happen? Probably not. Most likely probably drop and then immediately trace back up. So that's where I'm looking for this to happen here. So yeah, I definitely probably want to go with a buy stop. Let's just if you're already in a buy from this area, I will continue holding the stop loss at entry and see if Great Britain explodes up here. If not, look to take an entry at this zone and buy it back up to the top. Pretty much Great Britain has did most of its play. It's one of those trades where you kind of just want to stay out in this area really, because it's going to go up or go down. So you got to be very picky on which direction you choose. That's all I got for Great Britain. Like I said, nothing big changed from last week. I will be sending out signals in my signal group. So if you're not on there, make sure you subscribe. Hit me up so I can get you locked in for a small fee. That's very, very much worth the charge. Make sure you like this channel, subscribe to it so you can get the weekly updates. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me, to my Telegram group. And if you have any questions on any type of other pairs that you're looking for, again, I can provide those to you. And thank you guys for jumping on today. I hope you enjoy your next week of trading. And Chuck is out.